Police bag, 4 guns, ammunition and lead sheets seized in Hanover. Meanwhile, over in Westmoreland, another illegal gun has been taken off the streets.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
The Hanover police on Sunday morning seized 4 firearms, along with 34 rounds of assorted ammunition and a number of lead sheets during an operation in Land Top District, Chester Castle in the parish. Reports on the operation were that at about 6:15 a.m, officers responded to reports of shots being fired in the area and later searched the premises, where the guns and a number of other items were reportedly seized. One Glock 40 pistol with a magazine containing 5.40 rounds of ammunition. One Springfield HS 2000 pistol with a magazine containing 6 9mm rounds of ammunition. One 9mm pistol with a magazine containing 7 9mm rounds of ammunition. One Smith & Wesson 9mm pistol. 7.45 cartridges. 9 9mm cartridges. A cap with police written on it. 3 masks and 120 lead sheets. No one was arrested in connection with the seizure. Meanwhile, over in Westmoreland, another illegal gun has been taken off the streets. A man who was reportedly found with an illegal firearm was taken into custody on Sunday after the Westmoreland police swooped down on patrons at a party. The police have withheld the identity of the detainee. Reports are that about 8:40 p.m, a police team conducted operations in Carawina District, Petersfield, during which patrons at a party were searched. One man was held pending further investigations after a Taurus pistol was reportedly found on his person. The latest recovery brings to 35 the number of illegal firearms seized by the police in Westmoreland since the start of 2018. Last weekend, a police team took 5 persons into custody following the seizure of 3 illegal firearms, ammunition, military fatigue, and masks in 3 separate operations in the parish.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them right here. Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.